Hello friends, welcome back in our channel. Friends, in today's lecture, we'll discuss about the next software that is eLab software. This software is regarding like a laboratory software in which you can manage the record of patient. You can print the accurate report of the patient. You can add the doctor's commission, doctor's detail. If you want to add the test formulation, you can add the test formulation also users right like if you want to give the software's right to a particular operator, you can give these rights also, and customized report printing is also available in this software. So without wasting the time, we'll directly start that how to use this software. So first you just need to know that how to create your company and how to create your labs data. So I'm just creating the rough data here, that is a trial lab, which the address of this lab is sector 10 and belongs to Hisar city. The pin code of this country I need to choose here. All detail you need to enter here, and then mobile number, email address, each and every detail. And the book starts on like 2023 to 24. I'm entering and I'm clicking on create button. So create company. So this is the procedure of creating a company. So now you can see that the trial lab is created here. And if after that you need to set the database backup so that your data will be safe. For this purpose, you need to click on this enable auto backup and choose the particular path, like where you want to send, where you want to store your data. Like I'm just entering the my data in backup. So this is the folder. And if you want to upload your data, upload your backup on email ID, then you need to enter these details and then click on apply button. So this is the procedure of setting the database path. So I'll tell you the about the software in this lab which I have already created, and the rough data I have already created to show you the uh, regarding this software. So first we'll discuss about in masters tab, like if you want to add the tests group, uh, some particular tests are already added here, like you can see this. If you want to add new more test group, then you can add here. I'm adding BP trial here. And if you want to give serial number, I'm giving 100 to this and then click on save button. So this is the procedure of creating the text group entry. And if you want to add the subgroup of BP trial, then you can add this option also with the help of subgroup. So I need to add the subgroup in BP trial. So this is the BP trial and I'm entering BP1 here and click on save button. Subgroup is already created, so I need to change this subgroup 3. I'm BP3 I'm creating, and then click on OK button. Now I'm creating BP4 here in BP trial, and then click on save button. So this is the procedure of creating the subgroup which I have just created. In test group I have created the test group, that is BP trial, and in subgroup I have created the subgroup under the BP trial. So this is the procedure of entering the test group. And after that, you can check the test masters. You can see that these all details are available here. This is all. So you can see that BP trial is available here. If you want to change this, like if you want to edit this, you just need to double click and then you can change accordingly. Like a unit is this default value. Suppose I want to enter is 1. The cost of this test is males range is minimum range, maximum range, female range is minimum, maximum, male child, female child, like everything you can enter and then click on save button. This is the like this BP trial I have already already created before. If you want to create the new list, you just need to click on new list and then you can add data accordingly. So with the help of this, like masters in test masters, you can add the data related to test, like each and every information, like how much unit default value cost of this test is, range for normal, minimum and maximum, male, minimum range for male, maximum range for male, and accordingly for male child, for female child, like everything you need to enter here by clicking the new button. Okay, so this is the procedure in which first I have created the test group, and after that subgroup, and the next is test master I have created, in which you need to enter the cost for a particular test also. And after that, in master tab only, if you want to add the doctor's detail, you can add the doctor's detail. Like I'm entering Doctor mm, uh, Chanvi, and qualification is MBBS. Email ID you need to enter, and then contact number of Chanvi. And if you want to like give commission to Janvi, then you need to enter the amount of Janvi is here. Like the cost for blood sugar F is 2, you can give commission one. Like this, you can change the data. Okay, so I'm entering these data only and then clicking on save button. Now you can see that this data is available, like Dr. Janvi is added now. So this is the procedure of entering the doctor's detail, and after that users, like if you want lab in charge, like if you want to give the charges of lab full rights to a particular person, and like if you don't want to give the full rights for a particular person, like about to one person is about to access this software, and you think that you will give the rights, he or she can add data but can't modify, can't do the patient entry, can't modify the doctor's entry, can't modify the test group, and can't modify the test masters, and can't modify the users. So these are the detail, like you can set the users accordingly. Like if you want to change the rights, you can change accordingly. I have created here, I'll show you that. First, I need to close this, and then clicking on users again and search. You can see that I have two users. First is admin. First is one, and the another one is admin. The both users has full right, and if you want to change, you can change accordingly by clicking on. You just need to click on this full right option and then change data accordingly. So this is the procedure of creating the users. And company info, if you want to see, you can see the company info with the help of by clicking on this button. After that, we need to learn about the patient entry. Like one patient has come to test something, and I need to enter the detail. So I'm entering the data of patient. His age is 50, male, and doctor. He is patient Harish is comes under in Sudha doctor, and complete detail of this patient, like his samples, date, time, and when he will collect the report up to 20th of December, and every detail you need to enter. And after that, like what test the Harish is what test Harish is came, like I'm choosing biochemistry, and then click on select button, and then you need to add this option, like these tests are added. And if you want to add another test, then you need to choose this first and then select all, and then add these options. So you can see that these options are also added here. And if you want, like if you don't want to choose all, then you can choose accordingly. Like you want to choose only two options, then you can choose these two options also, and then click on save button. So this is the entry of patient Harish, like he wants to test these he just came for these tests. So this is all about patient entry. In next video we'll discuss about test report, like how the test report is generated, and the reports, like how we can check the reports of a particular patient. So this is all about masters tab and patient entry. Just to complete these two topic first, and further in further videos we'll discuss these next topic. And if you have any kind of doubt related to this video, you can directly deal with me with the help of comment section. Thank you.